Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove a Google account from your ACER Chromebook Spin 713. So to do that, we have to open the Control Center and open the Settings application. Here, we're going to have to go to Accounts on the sidebar, then tap the three-dot icon next to your additional account and select Remove this account. The account will be removed instantly. If you want to remove the main account, you will need to perform a power wash. And to do that, we're going to have to go to System Preferences on the sidebar and then scroll down to Power Wash option, select Reset and perform a power wash. But this will also erase all data stored locally on your laptop. So if you have some important data, make sure to go to Files application and then copy your local files and paste it to your Google Drive. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.